Alright, well, it's a nice sunny day and the tank in the car is full, the batteries in the phones are charged, the cameras are set up, ready to go. We're going for a drive. We're going to make a little adventure out of it today. You guys are coming with us. So what's your favorite thing to get at Starbucks?
This time of year, a chestnut praline latte with 4 shots of espresso. I need to tell them I have this to take one
with me. So we're headed up to Priest Lake and we're about 17 miles south. Did I say Priest Lake? We're headed up to Granite Falls and we're 17 miles south of Priest Lake. It looks like this, I don't know, they probably got an extra foot of snow. So hopefully we don't get stuck. But the good thing is, well, there's no good thing about being stuck.
We have each other.
Yeah. Made it. It was one hell of a drive, but we made it all the way out. What are you gonna get?
Hi, can I get a number 3? That's it.
Okay, so a double cheese combo with a double cheese combo with a butterscotch shake and then an express combo with a Dr. Pepper?
Yes.
1916 at the window. I'm getting tongue-tied here.
That's okay. The dinner line. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 5 cars behind us.
So we didn't make it all the way to the top of Granite Falls. We made it, what, halfway?
It's because I have a fat ass.
Halfway?
Yeah, we did. Halfway.
But we saw the big one, and then there was the other 2 we didn't make it to.
I liked it.
But that's fine. It's not as pretty in this time of year as it is in the spring or in the summer, so we'll have to go back. Bye, lady.
Our burgers. That's okay.
Okay, it should be almost done.
Okay. Must eat.
Yeah, it's been about 20 minutes.
Watch this person with the pine needles.
So we're here trying to get some food, but it's taken like 15 minutes to get the food.
This person has been doing this for like 10 minutes. This is like, the way that they're working is how I feel. Just eating. I want to be fat.
So the first rule of out-to-eat dining is always pulling over before you get too far from the place you just ordered your food, and make sure, check the bag, double check, make sure you got what you would order. You got what you need? Fries and a burger? You got ketchup? I got ketchup in mine too, so. Okay. Good to go. Yeah.
It's such a fast transition. It just blows my mind. Fuck, it's like dark. What is this?
So we're both stuffed, we're both tired, and we're ready to go home. And that's exactly what we're doing.
I'm gonna take a nap now.
I'm gonna sleep while she drives. And then
I'm gonna sleep while I drive.
Be up and ready to go when I get home. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video. We got more coming up, I'm sure, within the next few days.
Burps of satisfaction. Gross.
Later.
You stole my pizza.